Hi guys, Henry here with a Green Star HighFlow 440 CDI Worcester Bosch Boiler. I'm going to show you how to take out the condense trap. It's a little bit tricky and it doesn't really explain it very well in the manufacturing instructions. Obviously make sure you've electrically isolated everything and you're all safe to work on the boiler. First off, there's a screw here normally in place, which I've taken out already, which means you can swing this open to work. And then on the expansion vessel here, there's a clip here to undo the hinge. There's also a screw here you need to take out to unhinge the expansion. You can just pop it down by the side, and then you can see the condense pump in this case. So first of all, there's two pipe stats here you need to pop off as they get in the way later on. Just get that out of the way now, nice and easy. Secondly, there's a black input here, which needs to pop off. And then for the hard bit, which is even harder with one hand, is you need to go under here and pop off the condense box there. And there's also two electrical connections that are attached, which you need to be aware of. And then you can just pull that out. Because you move these stats out of the way, nice and easy, and then you're ready to just twist this, pop off, and remove that, which may leak as there's some condense in the pipe still, and then you're good to go and wash out. Just be aware of the electrical connections, give that a clean, shake out, and good to go back for another year. Thanks guys, thanks for watching, hope that helped. See you soon, cheers.